Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build your own gaming PC on a $20,000 budget. Follow step by step and let's get into the video. Select a good budget processor. My choice is the AMD Ryzen 3320G. The AMD Ryzen 3320G is the best processor you can get for a 20K PC build. It comes with a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz and can boost up to 4.0 GHz. Plus, it has an internal graphics card, which is really helpful. It can support up to 64 GB of RAM too. Overall, it's a really good processor for a budget build. Second step, choose a motherboard. I recommend the ASUS Prime a 520MK. It's a micro ATX motherboard with an AM4 socket, and it supports the AMD Ryzen 3320G. It has two DIMM slots, supporting up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, and can handle memory speeds up to 4.866M. HZ varies by CPU. It also comes with 1 GB Ethernet support and an HDMI 2.1 port. Overall, it's a great budget motherboard under $20,000. Third step. For the RAM, I recommend the G.Skill Ripjaws V 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. It's a high-performance RAM with a speed of 3200 MHz, perfect for gaming and multitasking. It's reliable, fast, and fits well with our budget build. Fourth step. For storage, I recommend the Adata SSD Ultimate SU650 40 GB. It offers read speeds of up to 520 megabytes per second and write speeds of 450 megabytes per second. The interface is SATA 3 with a 6 gigabits per second transfer rate. It's also shock resistant with a durability rating of 1500 G and uses 3D NAND technology. It's a great choice for a budget PC build. However, the downside is that it's not ideal for intensive gaming. Fifth step. For the power supply, my choice is the Cooler Master MWE 450 Bronze. It's a 450 watt PSU, which is enough for this budget build. It offers great efficiency and reliability at a reasonable price. Sixth step. For the cabinet, I've chosen the Antutu Value X1 ATX computer case. It's a solid and budget-friendly option, providing good airflow and space for all your components. I've chosen the AMD Wraith Stealth Socket AM4 4-pin connector CPU cooler. It comes with an aluminum heatsink and a 3.93-inch fan, providing efficient cooling for the processor. Total cost of this PC build comes out to be around 19,568 rupees. It's a great budget-friendly build for gaming and general use.